Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'll be showing you how to bake this delicious Black Forest Swiss roll. Start off by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Whisk some eggs and sugar together in a bowl until they're nice, light and fluffy like this. If you put your whisk up, it leaves a pattern on the eggs, and this shows they're ready. Sift in the flour and cocoa powder mixture into this with a sieve, and then use a spatula to fold it in until it's nice and smooth like this. Pour the mixture into your prepared cake tin, and then use a knife to spread the mixture to the edges of the tin, and then bake it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. While that is in the oven, get a piece of greaseproof paper and put some sugar on it. I'm adding sugar with cinnamon powder mixed together and then spread it on the paper. Put this to one side. When the cake is ready, remove it from the oven and put it on the sugared paper upside down. Remove it from the baking tray and peel off the baking paper. Turn your Swiss roll and start rolling it up while it's still hot, and then put it on a cooling rack to cool completely. When it has cooled down, unroll the cake, and then I'm going to spread some chantilly cream on it. So just get your cream and then spread it all over the cake. And then I'm just going to add some cherries to the cake. Just put them all over the cake. And then when I finish, I'm going to roll this cake up again. Just do it as tightly as you can, but also gently. And then roll it up and then put it on a serving plate. I'm going to put some more chantilly cream on top, so I'm just going to pipe some rosettes on the top, and then I'm going to add some fresh cherries, and I'm also going to grate some dark chocolate on top, and that's it. It looks nice and beautiful, and I'm going to cut it to show you the inside. You can see the layers, the cake, the cream, and there's cherries. It looks great and it tastes great. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.